All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back here for another recap video. Unfortunately, we are down 300 bucks trading HUBC, MDIA, and GCTS. And those are the stocks I was red on. Stocks that I was small green was XXII and CADL. So finishing red, I was down. The deepest part was by about like 410, 415 bucks. Able to make some back. But very frustrating day for me, specifically because today had some great opportunity. Great opportunity. I'm sure like I'm the only person red today, to be honest with you. Great opportunity on CADL and MDIA. Great opportunity also on XXII. And just was not able to capitalize. Wasn't able to capitalize, and that's super frustrating. And these are probably the hardest days for me in my career, is just, seeing great opportunity and not being able to capitalize, because it does leave a little bit of a sour taste in your mouth. It definitely stings more than a normal kind of just red day, because like I'm expecting like this opportunity, this momentum is going to bring green, lots of green. I should be performing at a level that would be different than how I performed today. And I do have to review my film again. I did review it slightly, and the main mistake, I briefly reviewed it. Main mistake today, GCTS out of the gates. This one, trying to buy this dip here off the low, off of 10, and then getting washed out here. MDIA, man, this is a great stock, but I struggled. I struggled a lot. I think I felt like I was getting filled on the ask, and it was hard for me to manage risk, and I was getting shaken out for a 10-cent loss, 20-cent loss, like super quick. And, I'd be getting filled on the market in for I feel like I was getting above the ask, to be honest with you. And then on the way out, I was getting on the bid, getting out on the bid, and it definitely ate away at my profits. I couldn't hold on to anything. My accuracy today was like 40%. So really, really rough day, and especially mentally. It's like, once you start to have rough days like this, where it's like great opportunity but you just couldn't capitalize, like you start to feel like that, like you're a crappy trader, like you're not a good trader, because this is the opportunity is right in front of me, right here. It's beautiful, and for some reason I wasn't able to make money, and I was losing money on green candles like this. I was losing money going long, which is bizarre. It's bizarre, but it does happen from time to time, and this is one of those days. And the only thing I can do from right now is just look at the tape and review, and look to be prepared for Monday. The emotions of day trading on the downside is like you forget that the previous successes that you've ever had in trading, like all of the good days that I've had the past 2 weeks, even Monday I had a great day. I was consistently green the rest of this week. All of that goes out the window in the moment of messing up, of making errors, of not performing well, of not taking the right entries and not cutting your losses fast enough, not managing your risk. All of that previous successes go out the window in the moment, and you forget all of it. And you beat yourself up. Sometimes you beat yourself up. I do it. I'm doing it. I've done it today. But it's common experience, that all of our previous successes we throw out the window, and we judge ourselves on this moment, this day, this trade. And we can't do that. We can't have one day or one trade extrapolate that into our entire experience of trading. It's just not the right mindset to have, and then not the right way to look at it. Yes, I did perform very poorly today, and there's a lot for me to learn today, and definitely humbled me really, really big. Even though I only lost 300 bucks, it's not that. It's not the amount of money. I can make that back, and I have $300 trades all the time. I can make that back in one trade. It's just the fact that I should have, or I feel like I should have done better, or I should have had a different outcome with how I should be trading. And with that, it makes you think like it makes you think all types of things. You know, is what I'm doing like what what I'm doing? I guess part of it was incorrect, and like mentally, it's like your capability. Like my capabilities not good enough to perform in this on this day for some reason, and that does eat me away sometimes, and that's a struggle with me personally. Is on these specific days where it's a great opportunity and I can't capitalize, I beat myself up a lot because I feel like I'm incapable or there's something that I'm lacking to be able to perform, and those feelings are freaking like excruciating. Like it's like humbling and it's painful. Um, like the emotions that come with that. But we're gonna move forward. We're gonna move forward. You know, I've been in this spot so many times. You know, I've been down and out, but I'm gonna come back on Monday prepared for sure. But not gonna lie, that I'm definitely feeling a little bit down, a little bit down of the dumps, a little bit suppressed, and it is motivating though. I'm not gonna lie, it is motivating. My most motivating times are when I'm down, and out, when I'm feeling the pain, when I'm failing, when I'm losing. That's where I'm most motivated. And that's when I go the hardest in the gym. I did have a crazy workout today, but I can see myself in the future being successful. But what I see today is proof that I'm not there yet, and that angers me. It angers me. Also makes me a little bit down, but we're gonna use it as motivation. That's what brings a lot of motivation for me, even though it's tough. Um, it's tough feeling that, but it gives me the best motivation. I don't think I would be here without kind of redirecting that energy into motivation, and that's how you survive. Because everyone's gonna have rough days. Everyone's gonna have rough days, and you got to be able to redirect it, even though it is tough. But for the film, I'm not gonna go through the film. I'm just gonna kind of just draw out kind of how I traded. So MDIA was spready. I kept getting it on the ask and out on the bid. Just couldn't get dialed in. I couldn't read it correctly. I felt like I couldn't read it correctly. CADL, I didn't trade this leg here. I was trading in this area, and what am I, small green? I think on this trade here, it was halted up, and I caught the quick dip off this previous halt level, and then a pop there for 10 or 15 cents. And I think I got green on that one. And then on XXII, I did some scalping in this area. Let's see here. Let's show the trades. See if it shows. Yeah, so just kind of looks like a range scalping. I know in this area I totally botched this freaking breakout. But I did a lot of price action scalping just quick using the tape and the level 2. The level 2 was a tight spread. I was able to kind of use that and kind of position myself off of major bids, off support levels, and catch quick couple cents, and kind of just doing that over and over again. And on HUBC, I got caught in a flush. HUBC got caught in a flush right here. Trying to buy the dip here. I was trading some decent share size, 4,500 shares, 7,000 shares. And it fell right through. Literally getting, looks like my entry was like, I think it was like 77, 78. And then getting filled on the way out at 169. I remember that. So pretty much a 10-cent loss there. And that definitely put some damage. I know I was green on HUBC, so I think I had like a $200 loss or so. And then MDIA, I know I got caught in a couple flushes on here too. I completely botched this halt resumption trade. Oh man. I think here, yeah, look at 13-cent loss there. Buying at 63, just too high in the dip, and then it flushes all the way down. That was rough. Looks like another 5-cent loss there. Break even. Looks like a 2-cent loss there. Going for the breakout, 3-cent loss. Trying to time the breakout. Here again, another 4-cent loss. Here's 2-cent win, 2-cent loss, and the stock is going up, and I'm losing. 4-cent loss on this candle. Halt resumption trade, 4-cent loss. Literally, stock is going up, and I'm losing money. That makes you feel like there's something wrong with you. It makes you feel like there's something wrong with you. That's how I feel, man. That's how I freaking feel, man. It's all right though. It's all right. There's a lot of areas to improve. I'm not perfect. It just means that I have a lot of work to do, which is fine. Which is fine. There's nothing inherently wrong with me. Just need to work. Just need to put my head down and work and study the film. Got to use that as motivation. I've been in this spot so many times. I've been trading for 4 years. I've been in this spot so many times where I've just been down and out, but it always turns around. So I don't want to make this video too long. We can take a look here at the stats, but after commissions or fees, down 321, accuracy 40%, slightly less than 1-to-1 there. No, my largest winner is only $60 today. So that just goes to show you, just was not dialed in, man. Just wasn't dialed in. Just couldn't get the hang of it. And that's fine. You know, on Monday, I'm sure I'll be refreshed, and this will be way behind me, and I'll be looking forward and moving forward to better days ahead. So hopefully I didn't get you guys down or depressed or anything like that. I know it's just how I'm feeling. I just want to be raw with you guys. You know, I'm not gonna like hide this from you guys, because this is very valuable as well, because you know there's some people that are gonna have rough days and they're gonna want to rewatch this, or today they had a rough day and they're gonna watch this, and maybe you'll feel better about yourself because I also struggled. Or you know, in the future, somebody having a bad day and they want to watch this and they can relate. You know, I want to be I need to be relatable. I don't need to be relatable, and that requires me not hiding anything about my trading results. So this was the day, but I will come back Monday stronger, and I'll be ready to fight again. So thanks for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up button for me, and if you're new, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys Monday. All right, have a great weekend. Peace.